Welcome back to today's video, and we are actually going to be getting a brand new dirt bike. James is going to be getting himself a brand new CRF 100. He's been looking to get a bike for quite a while, but there's been no Honda CRF 125s for him to buy, so he thought he might as well buy this 100. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. We're going to drive there now, then hopefully after that maybe go for a ride. So yeah, it's going to be a good day. When I mean day, it's like 2 o'clock and I've got my lunch.
Yeah, so we've got to clean up.
Now this is a trick shirt for people who like to collect motocross shirts. I think you'll like this shirt. Stephen Everett's Destinations shirt. Is it the Destinations one?
No.
Oh, what is it? Namur. Oh, pretty nice.
Remember 100.
100.
Right, 80.
Ski duel. Oh, the old ski duel.
What's that? We've just realised the van's door's open.
There's loads of stuff in there. Is there anything behind me?
No.
Sure?
Yeah, go. Oh, that's all good.
No problem. Alex's gears in there.
I'm going to film on my phone.
Right, so if he... Is it for?
Me.
So there it is, ready? Paperwork and everything to back it up, like the Honda card and everything. And
So we've just brought the bike, got all the stuff there, but we're going to put it out of the van when we get back and have a proper look at it. Happy?
No. I'm never happy.
This is the kid who doesn't like to get happy when he buys stuff.
No, I don't like spending money.
Kid. So we've just got to, James just pulled over as he needs to go to the toilet, and
Oh my god.
I've
Look
just
where
noticed
we are.
that.
I've just realised. What? You better get in quick.
We're at Borley.
God. Get out of here.
Let's do a drive-by.
Bottomly wrecked to me. No, we're gonna see if the Ghostbusters are still here. Pull out, I'll speak to him, I'll ask if they're ghostbusting.
So we've just got to a nice church here, the rectory there, and we're going to get James' bike out and film it, and James, you going to have a ride on it?
Yeah, have a little test ride.
James, you happy with your new bike?
I'm so happy. Oh, Stan's dug in.
Go on, have a go on it.
No, James.
Just taking one picture.
What was the point coming? He wouldn't let me ride it.
Bob wouldn't let James ride it.
Bob's scared of fun.
And he's scared of Borley.
Yeah, he's scared of ghosts and the paranormal. Would have made a fantastic thumbnail. Very unique. Don't! There's not people coming on here, look. Yeah, you shouldn't be allowed.
Because some people like to put up their handbrake.
That you are allowed.
Oh, look, it's a man. So we're entering the scene where James had his very first car crash, where you rolled the car, didn't you?
Yeah, but it wasn't my fault.
What happened?
Someone, I didn't even have a license, I was learning to drive. Someone pulled the handbrake up.
It wasn't me.
The dogs were in the back, they went flying. The chihuahua hit the roof, bounced, bang, 4 or 5 times.
It's down here somewhere.
It's doing 60 miles an hour. Let's stop and see if we can find bits of the car. Right, a bit of a commentary. I was coming down here, breakneck speeds. Coming
Down
around
road.
here, learning to drive. It was a Clio, blue
Down
Renault
road.
Clio.
No?
No, it's decent weather conditions.
Here.
No, it's well.
Oh,
This,
no.
this one came down here, minding my own business as normal. Get to about this point, the handbrake is engaged fully. I'm sideways, skidding like Colin McRae, and I hit this where this tree is. Stop doing that. I went in there.
And caught the tree caught fire.
Oh look, it's Charlie.
Get out. Let's have see if there's anything in there.
The airbags went off. There was loads of bits in here.
Got the rod.
Nothing. The car was ripping off.
Oi,
That's probably ain't.
There is a bit. Oh, I can't get it.
I don't know if I can see. Oh, there it is. That's your coat off, written off.
The second thing I wrote off here. Look, a bit of the car.
Put that back in the car.
Yeah.
Back home, James.
Nearly ripped the seat. Oh, well, it's going to rip eventually.
James, he's making all this noise.
My dogs.
What are you
Dog
doing?
today. Got bad bladder today. Essentially.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
So we can use it.
Why?
It'll be alright. Right guys, if anyone wants to buy an absolutely mint 2011 Honda CRF 100, hit me up.
James, are you a pro washer?
Wow, had a lot of practice.
Bike's all clean. So we're in James's race space. There's not a lot of space.
Oh,
I love it when that sounds over.
same. Yeah, but I think that will come off.
Oh, good. At least you're getting all the rust off. Don't film me.
Bob's entered into the cabin.
No.
Yeah.
Not a cabin either.
What is it?
Race most stable.
It looks alright.
It all looks alright.
Especially with that seat on.
It's a mini GP bike now.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, if we bolt that to there.
Should we see if it runs first?
No.
No. No, don't try. James,
What?
is it nearly ready?
Hang on, we've got no power.
James,
What?
what work have you just done?
No work.
Yeah, have you
You'd
just...
class this as work, wouldn't you?
He's just saying the card off and cleaned, hasn't he, Bob?
Huh?
He's just saying the card off, hasn't he, Bob?
I'm not getting involved.
Oh, Bobosaurus Rex.
All he does is sprays it all with silicone spray, so I slide off it.
This is Bally getting inside. He is a ghost. Well done, James. You just squirted in Henry. Just dropped all petrol in Henry.
Oh well.
So we took the car off and it's still bogging a bit. What do you think the problem is, James?
I think I need a new one.
A new bike.
Yeah, 2021.
That's what you can get after, aren't you?
When one's available. Sold out.
Sold out across the world. No, the UK. Well, it's probably most of the world haven't got one, probably.
Oh, probably.
Yeah, maybe. That could maybe be a problem. But yeah, they're very hard to get, the new 125s. Mine's a bit ruined now.
Yeah, why don't you get a new one?
Yeah, I sort of need to get a new one.
Well, one day, Louis, the machinery will catch up to you.
It's really annoying. I'm too fast on the machine. It's one of these problems I've always had. That's why I stopped driving when I was younger. I was too fast to be fast.
I'll have that on that bike inside.
When we sell it. Well, it's running well. Should I put the seat on it?
Yes. And I better skedaddle. James, how thrilled are you with your new motor?
Yeah, well, thrilled is exactly the word.
It isn't the word.
No, it is the word.
That's good then. You're ecstatic.
First kick. Oh, it's down.
Let me have a little go on it.
Oh, you.
Just in gear.
Oh, you should do a how to wheelie video.
I already have, buddy.
Should we discuss the bike?
Yeah. How's the bike, Jimble Jammers?
It's running nice and crisp, but it's not ticking over, so don't you worry, we'll have that all sorted by next weekend where we're going to ride it.
Yeah. That's from us, and we'll see you.
Wait, I'll do a wheelie.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to end it here. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. Make sure you check out next week's vlogs when we rip this bike. So I'll see you next time. Oh, let's watch him do the wheelie.